Alright guys, so this is the first unboxing ever that we're doing on this channel. The first subscriber ever sent in, and I have to say a huge thank you. This rod and reel is awesome and I can't wait to use it. So the only way to do this justice is going to be to take this out tomorrow morning, and it looks like we're going to have an extra episode this week. Alright guys, so the person that sent it in suggested that I leave my contact information in case anybody else wants to send anything in, and I will do so below. Whenever you send something in, I'd like to send something back to you. I'm actually a design student and I'm an artist by, I guess, trade, nature. I don't know how you want to say it, but I do freelance work for clients with videography, drawing. But yeah, so whenever you send something into the show, I would like to send you back a piece of art, maybe some type of digital illustration or some type of photography work. Like I said, if you guys send me something, I will send something back to you as a thank you, because I really do appreciate it. Nobody has to go out their way to send me something. But yeah guys, so I will see you bright and early tomorrow. Alright guys, so it is 5:57. I'm just getting to the fishing location. I was actually going to go to that pond in the woods, but then after thinking about it, the only thing I've ever caught out there has been small hybrids, so I want to try to give a better chance of catching a larger fish. So I'm actually at this creek downtown. There's a portion of this creek that requires doing a little bit of wading, so that's where I'm going to start today. I have about 3 hours before I have to leave and start getting ready for work. So I've already got rigged up. But let's go ahead, walk down there and get started. Oh, fish on. First fish on this. What do we got? Little red breast. Alright, first fish on this new rod and reel. Little red breast. Let's get him back in the water. Oh, fish on. Small. What do we got? Oh, crappie. Nice, I haven't caught one of these in a while. Dope. Alright, just got fish number 2, a crappie. I haven't caught one of these since the end of the spring, beginning of summer. Not too big or anything, but beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water. Been fishing for 7 minutes so far. 2 fish. I'm glad I came here. There he is, beautiful crappie. There he goes. Alright guys, so it is 6:10 a.m. This is actually day 2 of this. On the first day we were able to catch a crappie and a red breast, but I wanted to see if I can get on any more fish. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have about 2.5 hours before I have to get to work. Oh, what is that? A catfish? Okay. Okay. Don't come out. Yes. All right. Alright guys, just got fish number 1, nice sized catfish. Not at all what I was expecting. Let's get this guy back in the water. You know the species ID for this catfish? I would appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below. Alright. Alright, so day 2, I've been fishing for about 4 minutes when that happened, so I'm definitely off to a better start. Let's keep going. There we go, fish number 2. Alright. Alright, just got fish number 2, little bluegill. Just getting back in the water. So hopefully today doesn't end up like yesterday, but so far after catching those 2 fish, I keep getting these tiny strikes. I'm pretty sure they're just tiny panfish that can't get my lure all in their mouths, but it's definitely frustrating. So I have about another hour and a half that I can fish, so hopefully something else bites, but if not, I mean, that one catfish did work out this rod and reel, and I got a pretty good feel for it. But let's keep going. Why can't I land a fish today? Alright. Woo! Oh, nice! Rock. This is a rock bass. This is a giant rock bass. Whoa! Look at this thing. Look at this, I just caught this massive rock bass. This is my 3rd one I've caught this year. I went from catching none to catching, this is my 3rd one. I have an upcoming video, probably won't be out till sometime in August, but it's my 3rd one this year. Beautiful fish, man. I rarely catch these, just getting back in the water. Alright guys, so that was really exciting. I got that rock bass. That's probably the largest rock bass I've ever caught in my life. Like I said, I don't hardly ever catch those, so that was definitely an unexpected surprise. Alright guys, so I have about 10 to 15 more minutes. I'm just getting to the last spot of the day. Hopefully we can get on something else. I've lost a bit of fish today. I'm not too happy with myself, but hey, that's fishing. But let's give this last 10 to 15 minutes a go. Fish on. Not losing. Oh. Oh, what is another catfish? What? Don't come off. Don't. Oh. Don't come off. Oh yeah. Yes. Alright guys, just got another beautiful catfish, man. 2nd catfish on our artificial today. I never get catfish on our artificials. Look at the size of this thing. Let's let him go. Alright guys, so unfortunately we're all out of time for the day. I have to get ready and start heading towards my house and get ready for work. But overall, I'm extremely pleased with this rod and reel. A huge thank you. I know this video is probably going to end up being a little bit longer because it took 2 days for me to get a good fish on this rod and reel to see how it did. But like I said, overall I'm extremely pleased with this reel. The drag system works extremely well, and it was fun to fight fish on. If you guys ever have any lures or anything you want to see me fish, just you can either just suggest it in the comments below or go ahead and send it into the show, and I'll definitely get around to fishing it. But I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Until the next time, tight lines. Subscribe if you haven't. Take care. Oh, fish on. Come on, don't come on. Oh, oh shoot, it had me wrapped up under that tree.